Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to use Credit Karma's retirement planning tools. Let's get straight into the video. So to use these tools, all you got to do is follow these simple steps. And step one is to log into your Credit Karma account. Now you can do that on the mobile app, or you can do that on the website. Either one you want to go with, just log into your account, and then once you're logged in, you move on to step two, and that's to click on the retirement tab. So once you click on that, and then you're gonna need to connect your retirement accounts to track your progress. You can also view your retirement savings and projected income, and you can also get personalized recommendations to improve your retirement readiness. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to use Credit Karma's retirement planning tool. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that already. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.